first seller didn't have legal protection. So if the first seller have a legal protection, so we can join in the legal community on or law and legal community. So this is false. But if we didn't have copyright certificate, this is not false. If we copy the others, maybe the other things, yes. And copyright related right, this is there are many copyright intellectual property, maybe from the first patent, mark, trade secrets, industrial design, plan varieties, and integrated circuit design layout. Nah, this is the illustration of intellectual property rights fields in one product example handphone. So maybe someone didn't still not understand about what are the difference between patent, mark, and design, circuit design layout. If in Indonesian there are so many output of the results. So many output of the results needs patent. Maybe the national research grant needs patent. You have to depend on the quality of the research. So if the quality of the research higher, so our highest, so thank you. Yes. In Indonesia have a policy about the research national research grant of the output. So if you finish your research, you have to make output. What the output of the research? For the first patent, you have to, if you need patent, and the research governments have to see your patent, draft patent, so you should make a patent. But if mark or brand, yes, so you have research output of the mark or brand. There are difference. But especially today, I just more sharing about the Hak Cipta in Indonesia called Hak Cipta. And this is the example of handphone. So about the Hak Cipta or copyright reference in Indonesia, Hak Cipta is the computer program inside of the pocket PC. Yeah, this is Hak Cipta. Computer program inside of the pocket PC. For registers Hak Cipta, not computer program. So we have to upload not computer program, but booklet or procedures in the paper of computer programs or inside of the handphone. So if we upload it to get the registrations, not about computer program, but the file booklet of computer program to register, uploaded the file. This is Hak Cipta. And for the mark or brand, Acer, this is the symbol of the trademark symbol, yeah, or logo. This is Acer. Acer is the mark, brand, or symbol of the trademark symbol. And for this industrial design in the visible design, yeah, visible design of the handphone. Forget. Yes, forget. Yes. For the Hak Cipta, yeah, the Hak Cipta is the computer program of the pocket PC inside of the handphone. And for the Acer is the mark, brand, symbol. So all of this we can registers for to get the certificate. And for patent, what is patent? Patent is the technological discoveries in the form of computer tools. Technological discoveries in the form of computer tools or invention. Yeah, invention. This is patent. Sometimes, I have a product of the chair. This is we can make a patent. This is different. Yeah, and the design integrated circuit design layout. Yeah, integrated circuit design layout. This is different. No, mark or patent. And for the industrial design, visible design, yeah, this is industrial design also. We can get the certificate also for that. And protection of copyright, this is divided two type. The first, formal protection method, and the second, informal protection methods. Copyright like patents, trademark rights, industrial design right, trade secret rights, this is formal legal. In Indonesia, we can register in intellectual property right and law the Ministry of Indonesia, Republic Indonesia. So very legal. The certificate released by the Ministry of the Law in Indonesia. Also in Indonesia, in Malaysia also.
Ministry of Innovation. So you have to get all those patents from the registration, all those things from there.
Oh, Ministry of Innovation.
Innovation, yeah. So because this is all about innovation and.
In Indonesia, Ministry of Law.
Beda-beda ya.
Beda-beda, yes. And the second, informal protection method, confidentiality publication, knowledge access restriction, documentation, and effective information sharing, technical protection method. This is also informal protection methods but not legal. And this about the differentiation between copyright, patents, industrial design, and trademarks. Okay, for the subject, for copyright, creator, called creator. And for patent, inventor, the name inventor. And industrial design, designer, and trademark, trade entrepreneur, brand owner. For the object, copyright like arts, literature, song, pamphlet, module, video, like that. And for patent, technology invention, patent technology inventions like process tools inside of the computer, like that. And for industrial design, product appearance design, and trademark, trade and service symbol. But the subject, trademark, trader, entrepreneur, brand owner. This we need at least three of certificates. Mine. But in the account of the registration trademark or mark different with the copyright or hak cipta. And how to get protections for copyright declaration, a declarative without registration, declarative form, we have to fill the forms. And for patent, industrial design, trademark, constitutive of registration. And protection period for copyright date or 50 years since release of the certificate. And patent regular 20 years, simple 10 years, like industrial design and trademark. So the copyright 50 years, more long period. But for patent, industrial design, trademark, more difficult but short time and more expensive also. For this. And what can be copyright and what is its protection period? Protectable works like this is more easy maybe, so many people can release from the GAP certificate of copyright. Books, computer programs, booklet, not computer programs but booklet or procedure or operational standard procedure like that. And pamphlet, propaganda material, songs, music, drama, maps, batik art, photography, translations, module, booklet, monograph of the research books, like that. And this is the example of trademark certificate, in Indonesia also, Indonesians, not English, The certificate merek, the name of certificate, the name. For trademark is business owner, subject, business owner and entrepreneur, and this is the protection period, protection period, and this is the senator of the law of the ministry. And for trademark, what kind of the trademarks cannot be registered? there are conflict with state ideology laws. Of course, yeah. Approval conflict with state ideology laws, regulation, morality, religion, and contains elements, yeah. The name of protected plant variety for similar goods. So if we want to register our mark brand, we have to click in the fields, in the applications. If the name same, so this is rejected. Similar with, for example, Starbucks, similar, so this is rejected. And for registration for trademark in Indonesia, around we have 3 trademarks in my family. We need to 1.5 years until 2 years to get trademark, and more expensive. For the copyright just 1 day release the certificate, and very cheap. In Indonesia 500,000 before, and now more cheap, yeah, cheaper, 200,000 IDR. But for trademark, 3 million IDR for trademark, and for patent more expensive. And like lacks distinguishing power and common name, the name common, yeah, the name common. I try to register the brand trademark of the logo of the clinic, health clinic. So we changed the logo until 5 times, because the logo similar, like this for logo clinical, or this is if similar, so rejected. So we have to change the logo and symbol. An intellectual copyright certificate released by Directorate General of Intellectual Property, Ministry of Law of the Republic of Indonesia. But we can do the online, but more easy if the institutions, we have one account, like in Lincoln University College under the research innovation. College university has a center that handles copyright and registers ownership of IPR accounts for registers, given to the person responsible for account ownership. So the persons in the under of the research center institution have to responsible as the ownership, as the copyright center who manage it, and the authorized recipient who will sign the power of attorney, from during registration. This is the example. The web application hakcipta.dgip.go.id. But different account with trademark registers also patent account. This is different. So if institution needs to register for the patent or trademark, so have to have 3 accounts. Yeah, this is login. lppm@bdh.ac.id is research center in the Widya Dharma Husada Tangerang College of Science. So login, and after login, now have OTP code. OTP code will send to the email of the institutions, the research center of institutions. Then verify. Then what are the documents have to prepare to register a certificate of copyright certificate? This is files that we have to upload it. For the first copyright declaration form we have to fill, and the second power of attorney or surat kuasa under the institution or research center maybe. Document files to be registered, second of author's ID card in sequential order of passport can scan photo. If the creators for authors, so all of the authors have to send the ID identity. This the form. Copyright declarations. If there are 5 authors, so 5 authors have to fill the form of the copyright declarations. And this is the names of the file that we have to register. After signature, or materai in Indonesia. Materai, what's the name? What's the English man of the materai? Yeah, materai and signature, or also stamp. This example, Rita, Riris, Frida Kasumawati, Venita. All of the authors fill the form with the names, nationality, address, and the name of the file to get the copyright certificate. And all of the authors have to give a signature. Power of attorney. This is power of attorney from the under of the research center. The name of me, yeah, here. And the power of attorney have to give a signature also. And this is the authors. And for the third file, but this is this is just copyright transfer letter if needed. If the creation will be transferred to another persons, if needed, yeah. And this is the dashboard. In Widya Dharma Husada Tangerang College of Health Science, there are 222, yeah, for certificates, but maybe now 300s, yeah. For the applications and certificate release, this is the name, this is the power of attorney, and the title of the file to get the registrations, yeah, and the dates of the registration. This copyright new applications, this is the dashboard, and this is the number of applications, and code billing code to get the how many that we have to pay, like that. Application also. Nah, this is we have to fill the name of power of attorney or research center. Maybe for example, maybe Prof. Sandi Podar, the power of attorney in Lincoln, maybe, and the address. Upload also. So after we get the registration, we upload all of the files. This is the billing code that we have to pay to the Ministry of the Law in Indonesia. How many the price of the certificate? This like this. This is the example. Me and Prof. Sandi Podar for the present and research video in 2023, the certificate from Indonesia, and this is with Bapak Tukimin as a supervisor before FIFA. We make this. Then this is, it's not about how hard you can hit, it's about how hard you can hit and keep moving forward. A friend is someone who will always be there for you in good and hard times. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Rita, for the very extensive explanation how to get the hak cipta or how to get your intellectual property registered. So now I think you know why when you do your PhD during that time, we ask you, you want to use this questionnaire, have you got the permission, am I right? The supervisor will ask, did you get the permission? Then we all said, why you need to have the permission? So this is the reason why. Now by right you all should know everything that we're going to use from other people, we need to get their permission. Alright? To take the daughter or not the husband, to take the daughter out also you must get the permission, but this is the hard work. Remember, when you do all those things, this is a very hard work. You have to do a lot of search and a lot of sweats coming out and frustration there. So that is the reason why this intellectual property need to be registered. So I think most of our students, they produce all those modules, and I keep on asking them, please register your modules, whatever your modules, so that it can be your property. So it's not that to say that you're going to make money, or maybe you can make money, but the thing is that to protect your right, that is your your intellectual. How much you pour all your effort, it must be yours, not from other people can simply copy and paste. So now you know why all those supervisors said, why you copy and paste? Alright, so now this is the answer for it. Okay, any questions from Dr. Rita? For Dr. Rita, not from Dr. Rita. Or any remarks or any comments? Yes.
Dr. Mahmudah.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. My name is Cory. I'm from Stika Center Surabaya and also still study in Lincoln University College. Previously in my institution, I'm the person in charge to apply this this Haki. I want to ask you because when I take this responsibility to apply this right for prosperity, I never apply for patent. I'm sorry, maybe your slide only for Haki, but I really want to know how to apply for patent because previously in my institution we have one patent, and then we apply but make something wrong, and then we have revision, and we already more than due date sudah terlambat. And my first question is, can we still continuing without any paying anymore? Because when the first time we apply, we already pay. And the second, my question is, how about how long we will get the certificate for patent? Because right now my step is only for Haki and patent sederhana, simple patent. But I really want to know how long till we get the certificate if we apply for patent biasa. Yeah, because I know that Haki, patent sederhana and patent biasa. Okay. And maybe the third question about the account. I already have account for Haki, but I really curious because you mentioned about we have three account for Haki and also for patent and so on. So can you maybe give me more explanation about it? Thank you so much, Prof. Farid.
Sorry for that I know for patent if we have a due date to register and revision. So many revisions for get the patents. So if we do that and already pay, then I know we have to get new registration and new payment like that. Like Hak Cipta also like that, gitu. And also for map, if rejected, ya rejected. Yes, because this is in the intellectual property right and law in the ministry. So many institutions there, and the previous years before, we have to send the document file to the Ministry of the Law in Indonesia, and now online. Online, never mind like that. And there are so many persons that responsible every in institutions. So that I know we have to get a new registrations, but maybe in the draft of the patent same detections and the detected same. If this you find the difficulties, so have to connect to the persons inside this. Yes, for patent need and then I know the reality we for more for faster or short time to get, we have to have relations inside of the relation inside faster than we don't have like Mark. Yes. Yes.
But no corruption.
No about the corruptions, but more need. This is faster than if we don't have relation like that. Because like the trademark, in Widya Darusada Tangerang College of Science, I learns to get the account the new account we in 2018, new account. From January, I registered to have the account of IPR, and on May we have account. So 6 months to get the account, and then I launched in the same foundation, Universitas Pamulang University, maybe Prof. Ardi and Prof. Santana now that we do the house international conference there. Yes, for the account of the mark different, so we have to make account for registers of the trademark different, and for patent also, because the responsibility persons in the law of the intellectual property right ministry in Indonesia, this is different. And for how long? So in the national research competition in Indonesia, just draft, never mind. It's no issue, draft, because maybe for trademark 2 years or one years or 1.5 years until 2 years, and because the trademark that I have mine 1.5 years, and the second 2 years, the third 2 years more, and the patent maybe 3 years, 4 years also. So draft, never mind, and hak cipta just 1 day.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Only 1 hour.
Yes, hour. Yes, 1 hour. Okay, Prof. Farida.
Any more question?
Okay, good morning. I'm Rizky Andriani from Stikes Darmo Medan. Yesterday we present an innovative paper about production soya milk with sugar palm fruit topping or kolang-kaling. After searching in internet, this first innovation with sugar palm topping, should we as a research team get a patent from the procedure to paper as well? Thank you.
Patent register for the first we have to make abstract, Dr. Kori, yes, right? Abstract, like make an abstract for draft patent. So if for the others backstage, okay, yeah, or register, yes. If you find you have to fill the abstracts for get the patent before, and the novelty also for patent. The novelty is very needed, novelty. But if they similar with others, may be rejected. So you have to not plagiarism and novelty, very novelty for get patent. And I told that before for the patent in like the inside pocket, inside the tools of the programs like computer like that. But about the soya milk, you have to find the novelty before and fill the abstract to register. After that, they will check the step by step to get, yeah, Dr. Kori maybe, yeah, get step by step to get the patent. So by drafting and will visit and then check by one by one to get the draft patent. This is permissions to get the certificate or no. So if can or no, we have to check before apply. Yeah, so I cannot the answer can or no because this is maybe rejected, maybe no, because the novelty this is the most important. Yeah, maybe any questions?
Yeah, thank you, Doctor.
That's why you have to send for the plagiarism before you go for your viva. Okay, any more question? No more question, right? Then we move. Okay, can we move to the next speaker? Thank you, Dr. Rita.
Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. Because everybody is very interested to regarding this intellectual property, because we are the researcher. Normally we produce a lot of things, even though just our articles but we need to have our copyright as well. All right. Okay, we go to the next presenter, Dr. Masmuda. Your topic, please. You have your topic.
Okay, my mother.
I think we have 3 minutes breaks. You can go to the toilet. No toilet, the ladies. Ataupun kamar kecil. Saya apabila ke Indonesia, saya mencari kamar kecil, saya tak jumpa. Ya, kamar kecil saya kalau cari kamar kecil saya tidur. Ini cari kamar kecil untuk yang lain ya, urusan lain. Okay, if you want to go to the restroom, you go up from there, you go straight, then it will be the first floor will be on your right. Okay.
You need to go down. Okay, it's ground floor and take the left hand side. Left hand side at the end. There is a room.
Okay, sorry.
You can
I was oh my god.
You can have your
I have to stand very closely.
Okay. Where are you from? Where are you from? Saudi Arabia.
Okay, we have Dr. Masmuda. She is from Faculty of Nursing and Health Sciences, University Muhammadiyah Semarang, Indonesia. She is Dr. Masmuda is an academic and practitioner of maternity nursing who has currently served as a permanent lecturer in the undergraduate nursing program, Faculty of Nursing and Health Science Muhammadiyah, University Semarang. Her education background is solidly in nursing. She earned her bachelor degree from, I have a very bad pronunciation, so pardon me if I pronounce wrongly, Diponegoro, alright, okay, University, and continued her master's studies and then obtained a maternity nursing specialist degree from University of Indonesia. Her academic dedication culminated in achievement of a doctorate nursing from Airlangga University in 2024, making her in-depth expertise in the discipline. She has many records in terms of maternal and infant health, particularly in the context of nursing care for the breastfeeding mother. So whoever have any problem with breastfeeding, you can consult her. Her research is often applied on innovation, evaluation, and non-pharmacology intervention for common challenges faced by the breastfeeding mother. Her main topic include lactation management, the effectiveness of various massage methods in increasing exclusive breast milk production, and the role of social support in successful breastfeeding. She also actively published her works in scientific journal, articles, and reference book for the breastfeeding success with Otani massage, right? So, okay. Without this one, can
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Morning, the Honorable Prof. Farida, Dr. Rasia, Dr. Neil, Dr. Idris, and all participants ICHAS 2025. Today, same with Dr. Rita, I am not teach, but I will share about research and innovation in maternity nursing, because my background is maternity nursing. Maternity nursing provide holistic care to women throughout the reproductive period. Research and innovation ensure that nursing practice remain safe, effective, and responsive to women's needs. Reproductive period, we know from adolescent, antenatal period, intranatal period, and then postnatal period, and then women with problem reproductive system. Maternity nursing research focus in pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum care. This research supports safe and effective maternity nursing, and innovation enhance quality and accessibility of care. Research allows nurses to base clinical decision on scientific evidence rather than tradition, ultimately improving outcome for mothers and newborn. Research in maternity nursing can improve quality and severity of care, strengthen evidence-based practice, reduce maternal and neonatal morbidity and mortality, and then support mother-centered and family-centered care. We said FCMC, Family Center Maternity Care in maternity nursing. Research area in maternity nursing. This research area address the full continuum of maternity care and respond to current global maternal health priority, such as antenatal care, early risk screening, labor and birth management, for example, intervention to reduce pain in labor, and then postpartum and breastfeeding care. Maybe example our research about management lactation, intervention for increased breast milk production, and then maternal mental health. 90 postnatal women have baby blues. So I think this is interest to we research about it. And then neonatal outcome. We know if mother healthy, make baby healthy too. For example, nursing in maternity nursing, we can research with quantitative research. Quantitative research focus on measurable outcome and is essential for evaluating the effectiveness of clinical intervention. For example, RCT models, or maybe cohort and experimental research and measurement of maternal and neonatal outcome. For example, when we research about complementary therapy to reduce pain labor, so we can measure how much level pain in woman when labor. And then with qualitative research in maternity nursing, qualitative research help nurses understand women's perspective, value, and life experiences which are critical for providing holistic care. For example, how woman and childbirth experiences, what experiences woman when labor, what experiences woman when first time give breastfeeding. This is use need to qualitative research. How maybe how a woman feel when be a wife maybe. From single to double, I think need adaptation. Okay. And then how cultural belief and practices in Indonesia, there is any value or culture about breastfeeding. We know colostrum. Colostrum, some people said this is not good for baby, so harus dibuang, gitu ya, not give to baby. Nah, this is a topic area for research. And then how family and partner involvement about maybe husband support to breast mother, or maybe how a family support when mother give breast milk, and then how to respectful maternity care. And then innovation in maternity nursing, there is any research about innovation in maternity nursing. We know about holistic care, complementary care. Complementary is need to make effective intervention for maternity patient. Innovation enable maternity nurses to deliver care more efficiently, improve education, and increase access to services. For example, innovation in maternity nursing are telematernity or digital health services, or mHealth, mobile health to give education maybe, and then simulation-based education with video or maybe ebook, and then wearable maternal monitoring device. If we open Google Play Store, we know how to calculate how many age for pregnancy, berapa usia kehamilan saya kalau dilihat dari HPHT terakhir, bisa ada di dalam Google Play Store. This is innovation in maternity nursing. And technology-based innovation, technology plays a key role in early detection and of complication and continuity of maternity care, especially in remote area. For example, electronic maternal health record, remote maternal and fetal monitoring, and then artificial intelligence for risk prediction and virtual antenatal education. And then evidence-based practice in maternity nursing. There is any research about maternity nursing. For example, the one is evidence-based practice is a cornerstone of highly quality maternity nursing care. And then it involves integrating the best available research, evidence with clinical expertise, and the preference of women and families. In maternity nursing, evidence-based practice that care during pregnancy, childbirth, and the postpartum period is safe, effective, and respectful. Nurses play a critical role in translating research findings into daily clinical practice, such as evidence-based antenatal education, or maybe non-pharmacological therapy to reduce pain management, to reduce pain labor, maybe to reduce pain with first time to give breastfeeding, and then breastfeeding support intervention to enhance, to increase breast milk production. By applying evidence-based practice, maternity nurses can reduce unnecessary intervention, improve maternal satisfaction, and enhance neonatal outcome. Jadi so many research about maternal satisfaction when she give breast milk, and then motivation about give breast milk. And we need ethical consideration in maternity nursing research. Ethical consideration are fundamental in maternity nursing research because pregnant women, labor women, and newborn, as considered vulnerable population, need a private area. Core ethical principles include respect for autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice. Researcher must ensure informed consent, protect privacy, and respect culture values. Ethical challenges become more complex when research involves new technology, digital monitoring, or intervention during pregnancy and labor. I have experience about value in Sundanese Indonesia. Some people in Sunda cannot stop this labor sampai suaminya itu puas sudah punya anak banyak. So mother have complication with placenta previa until 9 pregnancy. 9 pregnancy, come to emergency room with bleeding, and then after clear, husband said, "It's okay, you can come back to home." Dibawa pulanglah istrinya ke rumah. And then 2 days later, the pregnant woman come back to emergency room. Bleeding is not okay, then her must be termination this pregnancy. 9 pregnancy and then 1 labor is twice baby. So they have 10 baby. Luar biasa, Masya Allah. Ya, 2 lagi selusin. Ya. And then interprofessional collaborative research in maternity care is very complex. Maternity health challenges cannot be addressed by a single profession. We need interprofessional and collaborative research. Some many friends in maternity nursing in my campus need collaboration with electronic and machine, yeah, to make maybe add to acupressure and then to make counter pressure to reduce pain. Collaborative with another lecturer from Faculty of Technology Informatica and Medicine. And then such collaboration enables holistic care, improve continuity of services, and support the development and of integrated clinical guidelines. So many intervention complementary developed in research in maternity nursing, such as acupressure, acupuncture, massage, apalagi Mbak Kori? Kori is my classmate in master program in University Indonesia. Biasa ngomong sama Kori with Surabayana. Jadi I'm sorry I'm not fluently talk with English because Kori said English is third or maybe fourth language for us. The first language is bahasa Jawa gitu ya. Second language is bahasa Indonesia. So English maybe third or maybe fourth. Gitu betul ya? Yes. Okay. And then maternity nursing bring a unique perspective grounded in continuous care, need advocacy, and patient centeredness, making them essential contributor to collaborative research team. Apalagi sekarang Kori maybe atau Dr. Rita to get hibah from Ministry of Education must be make research with collaboration another disiplin ilmu yang lain. Jadi kalau hanya perawat yang membuat proposal tidak bagus. Jadi harus with kolaborasi with other team. Ada tanggal 29 terakhir upload proposalnya. Oke.